Hello and welcome to Cooking the Books with Heather. Today we're going to be working again from Drinking French, David Leibovitz's book with drinks, cocktails mostly, but some non-alcoholic, and snacks that they have in the sort of drink hour in France. And today we're going to be making what he calls a ménage à quatre. He says this is kind of like a classic Negroni, but that has three ingredients that are sort of equally matched, equal amounts in that one, whereas this one has four ingredients. And it does have gin, which is not our favorite, but we found this bourbon barrel aged gin, which we like a little bit better, so we're going to be using that in this. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. In a cocktail shaker, I've already added ice to this one, and we're going to add, still smells like gin, but we're going to be adding our gin. And I'm going to be making a double recipe. So I think I've left enough room for a double recipe. I've got my coupe glasses with some ice water in them, chilling, ready to go when we're done. So we've got gin. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to add my freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I hope that there is not any seeds in this, because I am not planning on straining it any further. There we go. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. And so, next we have some Grand Marnier or Cointreau or Triple Sec, whatever you have. I found some Cointreau first. That was not great. There we go. So Cointreau. I'm just going to kill this bottle. There we go. And the reason we decided to make this was the Lillet Blanc, which we were finally able to find locally. It is a product of France. It is a sort of like vermouth. It's kind of a sweet red. This is white wine. This is Lillet Blanc. They also make Lillet Rouge, which is, red. There we go. And now I'm going to shake it. Pretty cold. It gets cold on this side. Not down here, but up here it gets very cold. All right, so I'm going to dump out my ice and water. And I'm going to strain into the glass. And he does not include any garnishes for this, so we're just going to have it as is. There we go. Yeah, looks like lemon juice. Let's see what I think of it. Tastes a lot like the gin. Lemon juice comes through, but it's very sort of refreshing, which I think gin is tastes sort of more refreshing to me. I don't know what I mean by that. But it's a good cocktail. So if you enjoyed watching me make this, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and come back and watch me make something else next week.